It's important to choose the tweezer that feels balanced in your hand and has the right grip. The proper tweezer will allow you to isolate lashes easily and apply extensions with precision. Lash chairs, we spend so much time on them, so we want to make sure they're comfy and they work for us. So here's one of them. This is a saddle chair. So with this one, what I do like about it is when you sit on it, you straddle it, your buttocks is kind of at the edge and your feet are planted flat on the ground, and you adjust this to whatever your height is. You want to make sure that you're not like too low, but you're not too high. The purpose of this one is to keep your spine aligned and your torso nice and tucked. No matter what chair you have, you always want to have your torso tucked in when you're lashing. That way you keep a straight back and you're not like this hovering and hunching over. And that's why you get that back pain. You know, you want to avoid that. So you want to make sure that your feet are planted and you're like really pretty open. Both your legs are there. You're kind of tilting forward and tucking your tummy straight back and start lashing. Kind of feels like you're holding your breath. Don't forget to breathe. And this is the perfect posture position you want to be if you select a saddle chair. So one of my favorite chairs is this one specifically. It's an office chair and it's an ergonomic office chair. It helps to keep your spine supported and aligned, and the support comes from your lumbar back, your lower back area. You have a little thingy that kind of just curves in. You guys can see the back, like right here. This is what I'm talking about, that curves in. And what I also like is when I'm lashing and I'm sitting all the way back from the chair, like at the edge, I can use these items, the little like hand rests, to rest my elbows and lash. And remember how I told you guys to tuck in your tummy straight back and you lean forward and you have your elbows supported and you start lashing. You always want to have your hands behind your client. You never want to be hovering over your client. Your hands should always be close and tight towards you, as to why I like having these elbow support rests when I'm lashing. If this is already helping you, imagine what we can do working one-on-one together. I have mentorship spots open for beginners who want to get booked, build a brand, and feel confident about their work. The link to apply is in the description down below. So now let's begin. I'm going to demonstrate how to properly hold your tweezers when applying lashes. Grab your tweezer. This is going to be your pickup tweezer, and this is going to be your isolation tweezer. Your glue ring is in your middle finger. Your isolation tweezer is going to be sitting in between here, like this. And your pickup tweezer, you're going to hold it like this. So you see how 3 of my fingers are on one side and the other, my thumb is on the other side. My pinky will always be loose and free because this is the finger I will be using to balance myself. So remember, your hands are going to be tucked in towards your rib cage. Your forearm, this area is going to be closer to your boob area. And you're going to come, and this area is going to lay and rest towards your client's head. I love electric beds, and whenever you can, I would highly invest in one, because not only does it make your life easier, but it gives a more comfortable experience for your client as well. So let me demonstrate why I like this bed specifically. This bed here comes with a little cord like this, a little remote, and you can literally adjust it to go all the way back and lay flat if you want your client in a specific position. It can also adjust the leg rest, and it can adjust in height. If I wanted to, I can lash standing up. That's the cool part. Like throughout the day, let's say you have a few clients and you get tired of sitting, you can just stand up and raise this all the way up and you're lashing. This one, you just press a button and it's starting to come up. Right now it's going down, but we want it to come up. So right now it's coming up. And as you can see, this is rising, and I can push this one all the way down. Your client doesn't feel a thing. They're just kind of there chilling. And this is why I like an electrical bed. So whenever you get a chance, I highly recommend you to invest into one. If you're not quite ready for mentorship, no pressure. Just binge this whole playlist. Everything in this free course will give you a solid foundation, and whenever you're ready, the link to apply will always be there.